Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi POCO M4 Pro, and today I'll show you how we can enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the DND toggle right here. So this is the Do Not Disturb mode, or a short version of it, and once you find it, you can tap on it to immediately turn it on, or you can hold the toggle and this will quickly take you to the settings where you will be able to customize it right here. So going quickly into the couple options that are accessible here, we have just a toggle, same thing as the one right here. So it's that. Then we have a schedule. Once enabled, you can set up a schedule so it turns on and off automatically based on your provided time. And then we have when device is locked, meaning that when enabled, Do Not Disturb mode will only run when you're not using the device. When you are using it, like right now, it will act normally. Then we have notified about callers. So here I can choose who can call you basically. So we have anyone, contacts, favorites, or no one. And then below that we have notify about repeated callers. So if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will kind of like bypass the Do Not Disturb mode. Now it says notify, so I have never tested it, but I guess you will get a notification instead of a call that someone is trying to call you. So yeah, once you went through all the settings right here and customize them to your liking, you can toggle it on from here, like so, or by using the little button right over here. And if you chose to toggle it on manually, like I did, do remember to turn it off, otherwise it will be on indefinitely. So once you're done with it, again, just tap on the toggle once again and everything will go back to normal. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.